is part 22, Sightseeing we did with the Human Rights Art Series 47 in progress. I have one container of grout. I've got to go buy more tomorrow. About 1/3 full, so I'm getting started on the bottom here of the getting grout into the tiles, and between each tile on the surface. The boys and I are listening to a CD of Amalia, a Brazilian singer. Beautiful album. The budgies like her, which is good. They have very discerning tastes. All right. Sometimes it's hard to, even using like cardboard squares, it's hard. Get a little glop of it on the paper towel. Just kind of mush it in there. And I'm going to let it sit for, it's pretty warm, just about 20 minutes to a half hour, and then I'm going to wipe the surface as much as I can. That's the hard part, wipe the surface without pulling out grout from between the tiles, because by tomorrow morning it will be like dried concrete. Then I have to go in with dental tools and also like a metal bristle brush on a power drill. It's very labor intensive. All right, there you have it for now. To be continued. I think it will work nicely with the grouting. What color is this? It's alabaster. I'm hoping I can get alabaster as opposed to bright white. It's a little less white intense coloration-wise. All right, to be continued. Good singing accompaniment, budgies. Very good. Thank you.